Hey folks, Turbine Guy back at you. Today, we are gonna unpack something quite special to me. I've been waiting for this. I got me a solar powered mailbox made by the Amish in Pennsylvania. Just arrived. So let's open it up and take a look at what we got. Put a top on the box. Ta-da! Whoa, we look in there. What do we got? Solar powered mailbox. Let me pull that thing out carefully. Got the receipt. Shipping, packing label. Wow. There it is. Packing. Let's unpack it and see if it's got anything else to go with it. We got gray, comes in many colors. And where did I pick this up? I got this on Etsy.com. It was the best price I could find online. And always, on a mailbox, you gotta have your flag. And look at this construction. Super heavy duty, not like the cheap flags you'll find at the cheap stores. There we go, look at that. You open her up, uh-oh. We got something going in there. I bet this is a solar power setup. Come on, baby. There we go. There it is. Open this up. Looks like we got some mounting bolts in there. If you look on top here, looks like it might have the holes pre-drilled, so it's centered and ready to go. Get our 3 mounting bolts off, and there's a solar light. Solar power. Sure, the LED and the battery are right in here. Get her mounted on in the same spot, and we got a Amish solar-powered Lighthouse mailbox. Unboxed by the Turbine Guy.